ratio, when we're just given one quantity, money has been shared by two people, A and B, in the ratio 2 to 5. Person A has ended up with £16. How much does person B have? The first step will be to just present the information from the worded question mathematically so that we can start working with it. So step number 1, present information from the question. So read the question as you go through it, either highlight or cross off or underline key parts. So two people A and B share money in the ratio 2 to 5, and then person A has ended up with £16, so let's add that in as well. So I've drawn a line just so I can split up the information. There's one part of our ratio that we need to find. There we go. In reality, we're just looking for an equivalent ratio, so we need to scale this ratio up, and to do that we need to find the scale factor, so that will be the second step. So we're going to find the scale factor that takes you from 2 to 16. And 16 divided by 2 is 8, so we're going to multiply 2 by 8 to get to 16, therefore the scale factor is 8. And there we go, so it's going to be 8 on that side as well, because we have to scale both sides of the ratio up equally. The third step will be to work out how much B gets, and we're going to multiply by the scale factor. So step number 1 was to present information from the question. Step number 2 was to work out the scale factor, and step number 3 is to work out the information for B. We're going to do that by multiplying by the scale factor. And 5 times 8 is what B is going to get. 5 times 8 is 40. So B gets £40. And that's the answer.